Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fun DIY project. Building your own smartphone projector. Using simple materials you likely have around the house. This is a fantastic way to enjoy videos on a larger scale. So, gather your supplies and let's get started. What you'll need. First, a cardboard box. A shoebox works great, but any box will do. Make sure it's big enough for your smartphone. Next, you'll need a magnifying glass. A larger one will give you a bigger image. Then, some black tape. This is essential for sealing light leaks. Scissors or a craft knife for cutting. A pen or marker. And, of course, your smartphone. Step-by-step instructions. First, prepare the box. If your box has flaps, fold them inside or cut them off. Next, find the center of one of the smaller sides of the box. This is where you'll place the magnifying glass. Trace its outline onto the cardboard. Now, carefully cut out the circle. This will be the lens hole. Place the magnifying glass into the hole and secure it with tape. The goal is to have the lens flush and firmly in place. Now, let's move inside the box. You'll need a stand to hold your phone upside down, with the screen facing the magnifying glass. Use small cardboard pieces. The distance between the phone screen and the lens is crucial for a clear image. Experiment until the image is in focus. Be patient. Once you've found the right position, secure the phone with tape. Now, seal off all light leaks with black tape. This creates a dark environment, essential for a clear image. Almost there. Find a blank wall in a darkened room. Turn on a video on your phone, set to maximum brightness. Now, turn on your projector. Adjust the position of your phone or the magnifying glass until it focuses. Troubleshooting tips. If blurry, adjust the distance between the phone and the lens. If too small, move the projector closer to the wall or use a larger magnifying glass. If distorted, ensure your phone is squarely in front of the lens. And that's it. You've built your own smartphone projector. Enjoy your movies on the big screen. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more DIY projects.